In 1930, a single sneeze from a woman triggered the collapse of the Royal Opera House in London, turning a routine reflex into a bizarre historical disaster. Imagine a packed audience, the air thick with anticipation for the night's performance, when out of nowhere, a commanding sneeze echoed through the hall. What followed was nothing short of chaos as the structure crumbled, leaving spectators scrambling for safety. This peculiar event, blending the mundane with the catastrophic, serves as a reminder of how fragile even the grandest of structures can be. It was later discovered that the sneeze was merely the tipping point. Underlying structural issues had already weakened the building. Yet, the sneeze has gone down in history as the bizarre catalyst, a quirky footnote to the unpredictable nature of history. The incident captivated the public's imagination, turning an ordinary bodily function into a legendary tale of architectural fragility.